I think you can never have too many lights on a motorcycle. In this video, I'll show you how I added auxiliary turn signals to the back of my 2017 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. These are auxiliary turn signals from Arlen Ness. They are in chrome and have amber LEDs. They're also available in black and with red LEDs. I'm going to mount them below the tour pack on the detachable tour pack bracket. I'm going to mount these turn signals here on this bracket about in here. I'll need to drill a couple holes and then wire them up. Well, here's the progress I made. I drilled 2 holes, one for a grommet for the wire to go through and one for the bolt to go through. It's a 5/16 inch hole for the bolt and a 1/4 inch hole for the grommet. I did all the old-fashioned things that my grandfather taught me for drilling holes in steel. I measured, and then I used a center punch to mark the spot I wanted to start, drilled a pilot hole, and then I used the drill size that I wanted to end up with. So here's the one on this side mounted. I'll mount the right side and then... Here's how I'm going to wire up these turn signals. Each of them has 3 wires. A common, a turn signal, and a running light. The red one is the running light. I'm not going to use it because I don't think it's legal to have an amber running light on the back of a bike. I'm going to connect it to a stereo audio cable that I cut in half and stripped, and then the mating half into a connector that will connect to the bike. I'll solder the wires together and use quite a bit of heat shrink to cover the junctions. Okay, I managed to get the wires soldered together, and before putting on the heat shrink, I took it down to the bike, hooked it up, and it worked fine, and it didn't blow a fuse. So I'll do the heat shrink and secure the wires to the detachable, and then hook it up to the bike. Alright, I wired the harness into the bike, connecting to positaps as you see on the right, and I connected the 2 parts of the wire together. I'll cover that in some tape. And here's the light in operation. I hope you liked this video on installing auxiliary turn signals. If you did, please click the like button. And this week, please leave a comment about other topics you'd like me to cover. Thank you.